your waves look flat or overworked, this one technique will change everything. Today I am showing you how to paint soft and expressive ocean waves step by step, perfect for beginners. Let's dive in. All you need is a round brush, two blues and a plenty of water. Don't worry about supplies, any brush, any blue will work beautifully, but don't forget to use 100% cotton paper. That's the must. Start by lightly wetting the paper. Look for soft shine, not puddles. The shine is what gives you wave movement. Tilt the paper and with almost no pressure, pull gentle horizontal strokes. Think of this as ocean's rhythm, loose, calm, and imperfect on purpose. This is a gradient wash that we are trying to give, but in a rhythmic way. Let the water naturally pull the pigment downward. This is how watercolor paints move, wet on wet, when tilted. Make sure you have the perfect shine and no puddles, neither you have dry patches before you start your next step. Now start mixing your pigment for the ripples. We are going to use indigo, but we are going to use it in a very creamy consistency, just almost out of the tube kind of consistency. Make sure your brush is damp to dry and not dry completely and not wet either. Using light, medium, light brush pressure, make those curved strokes confidently across the paper. Make multiple strokes as you move upwards towards the imaginary horizon line. Use tip of the brush to make thinner strokes. If they look uneven, perfect. Nature is beautifully uneven, and a few tiny ripples add distance to the painting. Add a darker layer to create depth in your work. Also make sure your paper is still damp. Add filler strokes in areas where there is no movement. A few brisk strokes with the tip of your brush will add movement to your painting. Make sure these are confident strokes. Do not overthink it. Paint intuitively and add mid-tones, light tones and dark tones in various areas to create depth in your painting. Stop as soon as it feels enough. After I was done, I noticed a dry patch in the corner, and I'm going to now blend it with my damp brush so that it does not look starkingly white and blends in with the painting. This is the time to stop painting and admire the work. If today's waves felt calming and you want to learn skies, reflection, depth, and a seascape with step-by-step instructions, my watercolor oceans and lakes mini course opens soon. Join the waitlist and I'll send you the early access, the early bird offer, and a bonus lesson. Thank you.